Hello friends, today we are learn alphabet A to Z and color name. So let's start. Blue color, white color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, sky blue color, red color, light green color, peace pink color, black color, pink color, dark green color, brown color. Let's draw. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint red color. E, A for apple, A for apple, orange color. B, B for B, B for bee, yellow color. C, C for cake, C for cake, light green color. D, D for dress, D for dress, sky blue color. E, E for egg, E for egg, blue color. F for flower. F for flower. Black color. G. G for crabs. G for crabs. Peace pink color. H. H for hen. H for hen. Dark green color. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. Purple color. J. J for jelly. J for jelly. Red color. K. K for king. K for king. Orange color. L. L for lemon. L for lemon. Yellow color. M. M for moon. M for moon. Light green color. N. N for nurse. N for nurse. Sky blue color. O. O for octopus. O for octopus. Blue color. P. P for peacock. P for peacock. Black color. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. Peace pink color. R. R for ring. R for ring. Dark green color. S. S for sun. S for sun. Purple color. T. T for tomato. T for tomato. Red color. U. U for unicorn. U for unicorn. Orange color. V. V for face. V for face. Yellow color. W. W for wolf. W for wolf. Light green color. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Sky blue color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Blue color. Z. Z for zoo. Z for zoo. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Bye bye.